Very good morning students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our maths period. Children, this session I am going to continue this chapter, that is chapter number 12, percentage. Okay, last session only I had started this lesson, isn't it children? So what I had taught about what is meant by percentage, how we have to convert that percentage into a fraction form, and how we have to convert one fraction form into the percentage. I hope you did practice in your home. Yes, yes. Okay, now I will start this practice set 30. Okay, so already I told in this lesson only one exercise is there, that all sums are what? Word problem. Isn't it children? So see here, first one is I will read that Shabana scored 736 marks out of 800. Okay, in her exams, what was the percentage she scored? So what was the that percentage we have to find? So children, here first we have to write the statement. Okay, first step is what? Write the statement. Given statement is what? That we have to write. And next one is what we have to find, that I have taken here as A. Okay, and third step is what? First step is that making the statement. Second one is what we have to find, that I have taken here A. Okay, third step is what? Third one is we got to make a equation. That is very important. So if you are making that equation in a proper, then only you can solve, you can get a proper answer. Okay children, see here, first one is that given statement I have written here, total marks of the examination is equal to 800. Marks scored by Shabana, that is 736. Okay, total mark is this one and she scored this 736. So see here what we have to find, the percentage of Shabana we have to find. So that I have taken here a percentage of marks, because we don't know the percentage, this only we have to find. That's why here I have taken, suppose Shabana scored a percentage of marks. Okay, here a we have to find. Which one we have to find children? A we have to find. Okay, and the next step what I told, we have to make a equation. How we have to make a equation? See here, a percentage, that means percentage we have to find. So a upon 100. Okay, so as I told, 2 percentage, how we can write? 2 upon 100. 4 percentage, 4 upon 100. Here a percentage we have to find, that is a upon 100 is equal to, see here total number of whatever it is will come in a denominator place. Okay, here total is what? Yes, 800. Okay, out of 800 Shabana scored how much of marks? That will come numerator side, that means 736. Okay, so children, this is the equation. If you are making this equation that is in a proper manner, then only you can get the correct answer. Okay children, see here. So children, see here, I will write the equation here. Yes, a upon 100 is equal to 736 upon 800. Okay, now we have to solve this equation. How we have to solve? Here, see here children, we have to find a. So this 100 we have to remove. How we have to remove? Yes, here division is there. So on both sides we have to multiply with this 100. Okay, this one already we studied in the equation chapter. Isn't it children? Yes, next step what will come? A upon 100 into 100. So on both sides we have to multiply, yes, 436. 436 upon 800 into 100. Okay, so this 100 we can cut, this 20 we can cut. Okay children, we can cancel it. So 8 ones are 8. See this 73, how many 8s are there? See here children, 9 8s are 72. Remainder 1. So that 1 will go here 16. 16, how many 8s are there? 2 8s are there. See here, now A is equal to what will come? 92. Understood, children? So A is what? 92. So Shabana scored 92% of marks. So children, see here, first step is what? We got to make an equation. Next one, we got to solve that equation. Okay, so here this both side I have multiplied with this 100 because we got to remove this 100. That's why. Okay, children. So A is equal to what? 92. So children, this calculation you have to write. Okay, in your notebook. See here. So answer A is equal to what? 92%. So answer is what? Shabana scored 92% of marks. I hope you understood. Yes, first one is write the statement. Second one is what? We have to make a equation. Third one is we have to solve that equation. So finally you will get the answer. Okay, children. So second sum I will solve, children. 2 3 sum if I will solve here, easily it will come to know. Second one is, see here, there are 500 students in this school in Dahihanda village. That is, if 350 of them can swim, what percent of them can swim and what percent cannot? Okay, once again read this sum here. There are 500 students in the school in Dahihanda village. Okay, one village. How many students are there in that school? 500 students. So among that 500, 350 of them can swim. Okay, what percent of them can swim and what percent cannot? So children, see here we have to find the percentage. So first what I told, we have to write the statement. Given statement we have to write. Here 2% we have to find. One is what percent can swim and another one is what percent cannot swim. So for that, first we go to write the given statement. And the next one is what? Second one, the person can swim. The person can swim, I will find now. So that one I have taken here A. Okay. Third step is what? We have to write the equation. Make a equation. Next one is what? We have to solve that equation. Okay, children. See here. See here, children, I have written here statement. Total number of students in the school, that is 500. Number of students and who can swim, 350. Okay. So here first we have to find that students, that percentage student can swim. That is, suppose A percentage students can swim. So here A we have to find. For that what we have to do? We have to write the equation. Okay, children, see here, I will write here equation. A percentage can swim, isn't it? So A percentage, A upon 100 is equal to, yes, total number of students, the denominator place we got to write. Can you see the number? Very good, 500. Okay, and in numerator, how many students can swim? 350. 350. So here we got to find what? A. So on both sides we have to multiply with this 100. Isn't it, children? Then only we can remove this 100. So A upon 100 into 100 is equal to 350 upon 500 into 100. Children, this calculation you have to write in your notebook. Okay, this 20 we can cancel it. This 100, this 100. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 35, how many 5s are there? 7. This 0 will come. So A is equal to what? Yes, A is equal to 70%. That means 70% of the students can swim. Okay, children, I hope you understood this calculation. Yes, children, please you have to write this calculation in your notebook. Okay, see here, next one is Yes, percentage of students who cannot swim. So how many percentage of students can swim? I told 70 percentage. So percentage of students who cannot swim is equal to what? 100 minus percentage of students who can swim. That means 100 percentage minus 70 percentage, that is 30 percentage. So children, 70 percentage of students can swim, 30 percentage of students cannot swim. So this is your final answer. Okay, 70 percentage of the students who can swim and 30 percentage cannot swim. I hope you understood this sum. Yes, shall I go to third one now? See here, third question. If Prakash sold Jowar on 75% of the 19,500 square meter of his land, on how much square meter did he actually plant Jowar? That we have to find. Okay, once again I will read here. Prakash sold Jowar on 75% of the 19,500 square meter of his land. Okay, suppose see here, this is the land of Prakash. So here 75 percentage, so the total square feet is what? See here, this is the land of Prakash. So here this total is what? 19,500 square meter. Okay, total, yes, total land size. And next one is what? That's here 75 percentage that Jowar planted. 75 percentage. What is your question here? How many square meter did he actually plant? So the total area is what? 19,500. Okay. So this 75, how much of square feet will come? We have to find. Okay children, I hope you understood this question. Yes, see here, first step, as I told here, we have to write the statement, give one statement, and which one we have to find, that we have to take as A. Okay, so here which one we have to take as A? How many square feet? So that amount of square feet that Jowar sowed, that area we have to take as A. Okay, see here, total area of the land, that is 19,500 square meter. Okay, and the next one is what? Percentage of area in which Prakash sowed Jowar, that is 75 percentage. So children, this 75 percentage, how you can write? 75 upon 100. Very good, 75 upon 100, isn't it? While making that equation, which one we got to find? Suppose Prakash planted Jowar in A square meter. So here A square meter, that is we have to find how much of area he planted that Jowar, that we have to find. So that's why I have taken here, that is A square meter. Now we have to write what? We have to make a equation. How we have to make a equation, I will tell here. Here already percentage given. So 75 upon 100. See here children, first which one we got to find? A, isn't it? So A you got to write upon, the total will come what? Yes, here that planted Jowar in A square meter. So A upon total square meter is what here? 19,500. Okay, is equal to how much of percentage? 75 percentage. So 75 upon 100. This is your proper equation. Understood now? Why? So children, the previous sum, A upon 100 I have written, isn't it? But here A upon 100 I wrote, but here say here children, the percentage they gave. So 75 upon 100 will come. A is what? Square meter. The amount of square meter, which one we have to find, that we have to, I have taken here A. So A upon total square meter of that land, that we have to write the denominator. Okay, so I hope you understood why I have written here statement like this. Yes, so now this statement, this equation we have to solve. Understood children? See here, A upon 19,500 is equal to 75 upon 100. In the next slide I will solve here children. Yes, A upon 19,500. Isn't it, children? Is equal to what? 75 percentage. That means 75 upon 100. So now we have to find what? A. So we have to remove this 19,500. For that, what we have to do? Very good. On both sides, we have to multiply with 19,500. Isn't it, children? Yes. So next step is what? A upon 19,500 into, very good, 19,500 is equal to 75 upon 100 into 19,500. Okay, so this one we can cancel it. So A is equal to, see here, this 0 we have to cancel. So 75 into 195 we have to multiply. So now it is easy. See the children, this one, that means 195 and into 75 we have to multiply. So if we will multiply, what is your answer? That is only A. That means now that how much of area is planted in that jova. Okay, so that is A is equal to, that one will come. So children, see here, did you multiply? So what answer you got here? See here, A is equal to 14,625 square meter. Okay, so A is what here? Prakash planted jowar in 14,625 square meter. Understood, children? Yes, I hope you understood this sum. Yes. So children, this session I have taught only 3 sums, isn't it? So children, say here you have to do practice in your home. This word problem, what we have to do first? We have to read the question first. Next one is the given statement right. Okay. And next one is what? We have to make which one we have to find, that we have to take as A. Next step is we have to make a equation. According to the statement, we have to make a equation. Okay, next one is what? We have to solve that equation. If we will solve that equation, we will get an answer. Understood, children? So finally, you have to write the separate answer also. I hope you understood this 3 sum. Yes, remaining sum I will do in next session. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Sai Ram.